Hello and welcome back to CTAC Studios. I'm Maurice with CTAC Lighting, and today we're going to focus on LANTANA lighting, a highly efficient, low glare, versatile fixture born in the Bay Area to a property development company known as Project Frog. This highly specifiable product was originally developed to easily mount and wire into a prefabricated building module for the fast-paced design build construction market. Proven in the healthcare, education, retail, data center markets, LANTANA product design and ease of installation has been a key component of their success. Let's take a deeper look into this amazing product. LANTANA supports an extruded aluminum backbone with a low glare co-extruded one-piece bidirectional dual finish acrylic lens. This product delivers 25% up, 75% down distribution, boasting 147 lumens per watt in efficiency. Drivers can be either integral or remote. The factory furnished remote driver cabinets can utilize Class 2 wiring or PoE solutions. Integral E-impacts are also available as an option if that's a requirement on your project. Let's touch base on the operating environments. LANTANA's L70 rating for their integral driver model is rated at 238,600 hours in a 122-degree ambient environment. That's based on a 24-hour operation. If you go to remote drivers, they can support a whopping 155,500 hours to L70 in a 176-degree ambient operating environment. Again, based on 24-hour-a-day operation. Furthermore, this product supports an L90 at over 71,000 hours in 122-degree ambient. This amazing linear product is available in standard 4-foot, 6-foot, and 8-foot lengths with quick connect options for runs up to 88 feet long. Available with the standard mill finish extruded aluminum backbone and now a matte black option as well. LANTANA can ship most standard products in 10 days or less. But outside of the quick ship program, lead times usually fall into a 3 to 6 week window, with larger orders, custom run lengths, tunable white and circadian systems running at 6 to 8 weeks. LANTANA also has an extended end cap for installing third-party lighting control sensors in the event you're wanting to pick up on those ever-important fixture level lighting control incentives. Just reach out to your CTAC lighting salesperson to coordinate your control needs. There you have it, my friends. All of this and a 10-year warranty to boot. What else could you ask for? Remember, all of us here at CTAC Lighting are just a phone call away and ready to help and assist you with all your lighting and control needs. Thanks for watching.
Be sure to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss another CTAC video.